can see the way the tool is designed. It leaves that little center ridge down there, which I think actually looks pretty authentic. You could stress that a little more, and then you're set up a little better for feathers. Or you can just use a loop tool and burnish that out. But look at how quickly scales are coming in to this sculpture. And to get scales of this detail and depth and precision, you need something like this. Let's do a little bit with the other side of the scale slab. And you can see you have more fish-like scales, a little more rounded. You could do scale armor this way. You can cut these down a little bit if you want shorter scales. I leave them long because I don't quite know what you guys are doing, but then it's very simple to trim them with a sturdy pair of scissors, and you can have just be a little shorter. These are a little bit long, but you can quickly fill out this whole area with scales.